Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on creating a budget and sticking to it. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of creating a budget and providing you with some tips and tricks for sticking to it. Why create a budget? Creating a budget is a critical step in managing your finances. By having a clear understanding of your income and expenses, you can take control of your money and ensure that you are spending it in a way that aligns with your goals. Gathering information. The first step in creating a budget is to gather information about your income and expenses. This means tracking your spending for a few weeks to get a good understanding of where your money is going. Prioritizing expenses. Once you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, you can start prioritizing your expenses. This means deciding which expenses are essential and which can be cut back on. Setting a budget. With your expenses prioritized, you can now set a budget for each category. Make sure to include a little bit of wiggle room for unexpected expenses, but be careful not to overspend. Tracking your spending. The key to sticking to your budget is to track your spending regularly. This means keeping receipts and checking your bank statement to make sure you are staying within your budget. Adjusting your budget. If you find that you are overspending in a certain category, don't panic. This is normal and simply means that you need to adjust your budget. Maybe you need to find ways to save more money or prioritize your expenses differently. Celebrate your successes. Finally, it's important to celebrate your successes. Every time you stick to your budget, give yourself a little reward. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Creating a budget and sticking to it can seem daunting, but it is a critical step in taking control of your finances. By following these tips, you can create a budget that works for you and ensure that you are spending your money in a way that aligns with your goals. That's it for this video on creating a budget and sticking to it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more great financial tips. Thank you for watching. You can find our subscribe link in description. See you in next video.